The Supreme Court is reinstating a regulation aimed at curbing the number of ghost guns. Those are firearms without serial numbers, often turning up at crime scenes all across the country and right here in our area. Our Jeff Cole is live in Camden to explain. Jeff.
Yeah, Don, there's no question this Supreme Court ruling has an impact on local police. We've done a lot of reporting on ghost guns. Ask a local cop what keeps he or she up at night. They very well may say that it's ghost guns. They are highly lethal and untraceable.
Here's one of the ghost guns we recovered.
Camden County Deputy Police Chief Michael Shomo handles the scourge of the illegal gun trade. A ghost gun, not only deadly, but untraceable, easy to build, and simple to enhance.
You get an individual who doesn't care about anybody, can fire off 30 rounds within seconds.
In this city of 72,000 struggling with pockets of deep poverty, police have pulled 182 ghost guns off the streets in the last 4 years, including 30 this year. Assembled from kits bought online or at gun shows, there are no serial numbers for tracking.
As the barrels, you would see at times have serial numbers. Some visible, sometimes not visible. We don't know where it came from, who had it, who possessed it, who bought the parts to make it.
In 2022, the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, ATF, in an effort to limit ghost guns, forced the makers and sellers of gun kits to get licenses, etch the parts with serial numbers, and do background checks. The rule was challenged, but this week, the Supreme Court kept the restrictions in place. Great news, say police in Camden and over the river in Philadelphia, where more than 900 ghost guns have turned up since last year.
What does that mean for these regulations to come back for you?
It enhances our ability to, again, trace it back to the originator to find out if there was a legal means to purchase it or illegal.
Guns in boxes are piled high in the evidence room of Camden County Police. Officers take hundreds off the streets here yearly. The revived ghost gun rules may help them get to the source.
There is someone behind the scenes who's profiting. And if we can't get to the profiter, then we're not going to stop the flow of guns because they found the loophole.
That's always the goal here, to find out who, in fact, is moving the guns on the street. These rules may, in fact, not be permanent. They will stay on the books while the challenge moves through the courts. And that final decision will decide whether they stay on the books and/or are removed. Live at Camden at the PD, Jeff Cole, Fox 29 News. Dawn.
All right, Jeff, thank you.